A sick sister could not fast in Ramadan, and she could also not find a poor person to feed. Should she give money in charity? If so, how much does she have to give in its place?
As it's clearly mentioned in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 184, that if a person can fast with hardship, he can either fast or he has to feed a person indigent, feed a poor person for every fast he has missed. So if the sister was sick and she could not fast, or she cannot make up for the fast because she is sick, and according to the commentary of Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, from number 3, hadith number 4505. Commentary of this verse of the Quran, Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 184, he says that this verse is not abrogated, but it refers to those people, old women and old men, who cannot make up for the fast, or a person who is continuously sick, like the sister. As far as feeding indigent, that's what the Quran says. But you cannot give charity to any poor person. You have to give food. That is 1 sa for one person. It is equal to 1.5 kilograms. And as the sister said that she cannot find a poor person where she lives, I feel it's difficult. Fine, some Muslim countries have got more poor people, some have got less. But to say that she cannot find a single poor person to feed, that is difficult. I don't know of any country where you will not find a single poor person. Fine, some countries have less poor people, some countries have more poor people. But to say that she can't find is difficult. But surely, she cannot give money in charity. How much money will she give? The Quran says you have to feed one poor person for every fast missed. What she can do, she can appoint some person to find the poor person, or appoint an organization to find, but she should see to it that she should feed, give food, that's 1 sa for every fast she has missed.